Welcome to this guided meditation for abundance. My name is Francis. Find a comfortable seated position, allowing your spine to be straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your chest and abdomen to expand fully. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. As you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, bring your awareness to the present moment. Feel the support beneath you, grounding you to the earth. Picture a warm golden light surrounding you, representing the abundance that flows through the universe. Now, as we embrace the energy of 2024 Lunar New Year, let's set positive intentions for prosperity and abundance. Visualize the year ahead as a canvas waiting to be painted with vibrant colors of success, joy, and fulfillment. Envision your goals and aspirations manifesting in your life. See yourself surrounded by abundance in various forms: financial prosperity, meaningful relationships, and personal growth. Picture each aspect of your life thriving and flourishing like a garden in full bloom. Take a moment to express gratitude for the abundance already present in your life. With each breath, Silently acknowledge the blessings that surround you. Feel a sense of appreciation for the experiences, relationships, and opportunities that have contributed to your journey. Imagine a river of abundance flowing through your life, and with each expression of gratitude, feel that river expanding and carrying positive energy into every corner of your being. Now, focus on a specific area of your life where you would like to invite more prosperity. It could be your career, finances, health, or relationships. Picture this area flourishing with success and abundance. Visualize the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. See yourself confidently moving towards prosperity, overcoming challenges with grace and resilience. Feel the energy of success radiating from within and attracting positive opportunities. As you continue to visualize abundance in your life, allow yourself to embody the feeling of abundance in this moment. Feel the warmth and richness of abundance filling every cell of your body. Notice how your posture shifts, becoming more open and expansive as you embody the energy of prosperity. Allow yourself to bask in this feeling of abundance, knowing that you are worthy of all the blessings that come your way. As we conclude this meditation, bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Carry the sense of abundance with you into the rest of your day, knowing that you have planted the seeds for a prosperous and fulfilling year ahead. May the energy of prosperity and abundance accompany you on your journey. My name is Francis. Happy New Year. Namaste.